G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today we're doing a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Nova 2i. So without further ado, let's get it open and let's check it out. As usual, got the world's biggest unboxing knife, gotta love it. Now I picked this up in Australia for $388. Was normally priced at $499, so $388 is a big reduction. End of year sale or start of year sale or something like that. Let's have a look. This is a dual SIM variant. We've got here 64 gigs of RAM, 4 gigs of storage, dual SIM, both 4G slots. On the box, you've just got the Huawei symbol there, Huawei Nova 2i, Huawei design. First thing you see there, here's a little SIM ejection tool. There's the rest of the box. So that's different sort of setup. Then here you've got the device itself. Now this is a 18 by 9 aspect ratio, I think. Let's have a look here. Nice looking device. So you've got aluminium on the back, glass on the front, 16 megapixel front facing camera with an extra 2 megapixel shooter there up the top, and I believe 13 and 2 megapixel on the back, rear fingerprint sensor. I'll just quickly put that aside. See what else we got in the box here. Now, this I like. You get a case. Nothing special, just something to put on the device to stop it being damaged, scratched, that sort of thing. I hate getting a new phone and not having anything to put on it. So that's a good one. Well done to Huawei for that. And I'll actually put that in. It seems to fit nicely. Now I don't have to worry about scratching it. What else we got in the box was your usual books, quick start guide in several different languages, standard USB, headphones, and a charging brick. I'll put the headphones aside, I won't be using them, but I'll definitely be having a charge with it. So let's just quickly power on the device. See if we've got any charge left in it. Comes with a screen protector pre-installed as well, so that's always nice. Headphone jack on the bottom, micro USB, speakers. On the top you've got a microphone, earpiece. So it looks nice. It's nice, got a nice bit of weight to it, nice size to it. I like the shape of it, it's easy to hold. You've got your antenna bands at the top and bottom, your flash here. A little bit of branding there, Huawei. No, that's hard to see. That's a good looking device. I'll just quickly skip through for now. I'm going to agree to everything. I've never had a Huawei device before either, so we'll check this out and see how I like it. The OS is going to be something I'm going to struggle with, but we'll see how we go. So it looks like a pretty standard Android setup for now when it comes to logging in. Haven't seen anything out of the ordinary yet. I'm impressed with the display. It looks nice. It's nice and bright. It's got all the colors in the right place. I'll skip the screen lock for now. Set up as a fresh start. Huawei ID, so I'm going to put one of those in. And here we go. So like I said, everything looks pretty good so far. We'll just quickly go into the settings. And we'll go to About Phone. We've got EMUI version 5.1, Android version 7.0, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, 2160 by 1080 resolution on the screen, Security patch is September 2017. However, that could change shortly. System update, a quick look. No updates. So there we go. So I'm going to go around, I'm going to have a play with this. I like what I see so far. If you've got any questions about the Huawei Nova 2i, hit me up in the comments down below. I'm going to do a full review of this. I'm going to be using it as my daily driver for at least the next 2 weeks. I've got another phone that I'm going to be testing at the same time. So one will be for play, one will be for work, and I will be giving you full updates on how it goes. Don't forget to follow me on all the social media. Thank you for watching my video. Give me a like, give me a subscription, give me a share, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.